Hi everyone, welcome to the new brand course titled Full Stack Java Development with Spring Boot and React JS. Well, in this course you will learn how to build full stack web applications using Spring Boot and React JS. Well, here are the tools and technologies that we are going to use in this course. At the back end, we will use Spring Boot 3, Spring Data JP, internally uses Hibernate 6, we will use Spring Security 6, we will use JWT, we will use database as a MySQL database, we will use IntelliJ IDEA to develop the Spring Boot application, we will use Maven as a build tool, we will use Postman client to test the backend Spring Boot REST APIs. Next, at a front end, we will use React.js 18+, we will use Vite.js as a build tool, we will use Bootstrap CSS framework to style the web pages, we will use JavaScript, we will use NPM as a package manager, and we will use Visual Studio Code IDE to develop the React application, and then we will use Axios HTTP library to make a REST API call in a React application. So these are the latest version of tools and technologies that we will be using in this course. Well, what you will learn in this course? You will learn Spring Boot fundamentals and REST API basics. Next, you will learn React.js fundamentals and important concepts. Once you are familiar with Spring Boot fundamentals and React.js fundamentals, then you will start building Employee Management Full Stack project. Well, let me quickly show you the demo of Employee Management Full Stack project that you will build in this course. Well, look at here, this is the user interface of our Employee Management System project. And in this project, we are going to build two modules. First is Employee Management module, second is Department Management module. And notice here in a header section, we have Employees and Departments tab. So click on Employees tab, you will navigate to the list of employees page. And here we can perform the CRUD operations on employee. And if you click on Departments tab, here you will navigate to the list of departments page, and here you can perform CRUD operation on department. So whenever user want to add a new employee, then user have to select the department that the employee belongs to. So basically the employee depends on the department. So user have to first create the department. Okay. So here user have to click on add department button to add the new department. Next, let us add the department name as finance, and department description finance department. Click on submit, and look at here, a newly added department is populated in a list of departments page. Next, let us add one more department. Let us call it as R&D, and department description R&D, that is research and development department. Click on submit, and there we go, R&D department is added to the list of departments page. Next, user can perform update operation on the departments. For example, let us say user want to update finance department, then user can go ahead and click on the corresponding update button. Let us say user want to update the department description from finance department to finance department updated. Okay, click on finish, you can see the department description is updated. Next, let us say user want to delete the department, then user can go ahead and click on the corresponding delete button. For example, here let us say user want to delete the finance department, then user can click on corresponding delete button. Alright, so this is how user can perform CRUD operations on department. Okay, so this is the department management module. Next, click on employees tab, and here user can perform CRUD operations on employee. So if user want to add the new employee, then user have to click on add employee button over here, and here let us add the first name Ramesh, last name Padtare, email ramesh@gmail.com, and here user need to select the department. So here let us say user want to add this employee to R&D department, then user can select R&D over here, click on submit, and notice here a Ramesh employee is added to the list of employees page. Next, let us add one more employee. Let us say Sanjay, first name Sanjay, last name Jadhav, email sanjay@gmail.com, select the R&D department, click on submit, and there we go. Okay, next user can perform the update operation, like user can update the particular employee. For example, let us say user want to update the Ramesh employee, then user can click on the corresponding update button, and here let us change the first name from Ramesh to Ram, last name from Padatari to Jadhav, email from ramesh@gmail.com to ram@gmail.com, and then let us keep the R&D department as it is. Click on submit, and there we go. Alright, the Ramesh employee is successfully updated. Okay, this is how user can perform update employee operation. Next, if user want to delete the particular employee, then user can go ahead and click on the corresponding delete button. For example, let us say user want to delete the Ram employee, then user can click on its corresponding delete button. Alright, so this is how user can perform CRUD operations on employee using this employee management module. Next, you will build to-do management full stack project. So let me quickly show you the demo of this to-do management full stack project that you will build in this course. Well, this is the to-do management application user interface, and here user can use user registration form to register to the to-do management application. So once user registered to the to-do management application, then user can use registered credentials to log into the to-do management application. For example, here let me log in with the admin user. So in this to-do management application, admin user basically create the to-dos and the normal users can work on those to-dos. For example, here admin user can add the to-do. For example, let us say learn Java, and to-do description learn Java with programs, and then initially the to-do status is not completed, and click on submit, and look at here the new to-do is added to the list of to-dos. Next, if user want to update the to-do, then user can click on corresponding update button over here, and user can update the to-do title, description, and to-do completed fields. Okay, for example, here let's update the to-do title from learn Java to learn Java and advanced Java, and click on submit, and here you can see the to-do title is updated. Next, here we have complete and incomplete quick actions. So user can click on the complete button to complete the to-do, and next user can click on this incomplete to-do to mark the to-do as a incomplete. For example, if user click on this complete, so you can see the to-do completed status is yes, and if user click on incomplete to-do, the to-do status changed from yes to no. Okay, so these are the quick actions to mark to-do as a complete or incomplete. Next, if user want to delete the to-do, then user click on this delete to-do button. Next, user can click on logout button to log out from the to-do management application. So in this to-do management application, we will build role-based authorization using Spring Security, and will use JWT for token-based authentication. So this course is a project-oriented course. So in this course, you will build two full stack projects. First is employee management full stack project. Second is to-do management full stack project. Alright, yet I will catch you in the course.